This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Post-cat oxygen sensor renewal. Position the workshop jack under the front subframe rear mounting, then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the chassis member and remove the jack. Undo the nuts securing the sensor wiring plug box to the chassis member. Unclip the sensor wiring loom, remove the box and disconnect the wiring plug. Using a split type deep socket, unscrew and remove the sensor. Apply a little high temperature anti-seize grease to the threads, then screw the new sensor into the threaded hole in the exhaust pipe. Tighten the sensor to the correct torque. Reconnect the sensor wiring plug, refit the box, tighten the retaining nuts, then secure the wiring loom. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands.